Hi guys, thank you for tuning in today and welcome to yet another tutorial. On today's video we are going to be making the letter G for God, G for good. We hope that you learn something new. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. The materials that you'll require to make the letter G are 0.30 millimeters fishing line. You'll require a nail cutter. You'll require beads. We'll be using the red and white beads today, and definitely you will be required to be present there. So let us start learning. So for us, since this is a tutorial, we've cut our fishing line to the length of around 10 inches, but if you're making a bracelet, your fishing line should be longer. We start by putting the basic 3 beads and the final 1 bead on the left. So we pick 3 beads on the right and 1 red bead on the left, like that. So that's the basic. You should have that small star you see there. That's the very basic, and then we proceed from there. If you have your star, you pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then a red bead on the right again, and then you crisscross on the red bead on the right. If this is your first time coming across this channel, please kindly don't forget to subscribe. Also share these videos. You can also check our playlists. We have several videos that we have already done. You proceed by picking a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then you crisscross with the final red bead on the right. So those are 3 beads, and then you repeat the same procedure until you get to 5 heads. That's the length, that's the standard length that we'll be using for our letters. Thanks so much for your constant comments and likes, and you've helped us get to over 900 subscribers. Kindly help us get to 1,000 subscribers, and let's grow the family together. So now we have gotten to the corner. So we've picked 2 red beads on the left and 1 red bead on the right, like that. Then we crisscross on the red bead from the right, like that. We should have something that looks like this. I hope that is clear. Thank you. You proceed, you pass the fishing line through the red bead like that, and then you continue. We are making the letter G. You pick a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the left. You should have something that looks like this. So you proceed. You pass the fishing line through the next red bead. Pick a white bead on the right and another white bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the left. Remember, we are making the letter G for grow. It's going to be a bold one. then we proceed. You pick another white bead on the right, the red bead on the left, then you crisscross on the red bead from the left. Our analytics on our YouTube shows that most of you who watch haven't subscribed, so kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It shows that 80% of you who watch our videos haven't subscribed, so kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button and help us grow the family. More tutorials, more videos are coming your way, and we continue. I hope by this time your artwork should look like this. That is clear, you can see it. So we proceed. You pick a white bead on the left, a white bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the left. Then you pass the fishing line through the next white bead like that, and then you pick a red bead on the right, and then you pick a white bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the left. Please, for those of you who try and fail, kindly don't give up. Beadwork is easy, but not that very easy, so don't give up on the first trials or even the second trials. We've had testimonies from several people that have tried and made it, so don't give up. Just try, and you can go through. We have several videos, so if this video doesn't work, try the next video until you get it right. You're crisscrossing on the white like that. Pass the next red bead like that. Then you pick a white bead on the right, a red bead on the left. This is almost the same as making the letter C, but it's because we are going to make the capital G, so that's the curve we were making. Pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, then you also pick a white bead on the left, then you crisscross on the red bead from the right. Like that. Thank you for all the comments that you've been flowing. Please keep them coming. If you have questions, if you have suggestions, please let us know on the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So you pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left. Then you crisscross on the red bead from the left like that. As you can see, the letter is slowly forming. Or you pass the fishing line through the next red bead like that. Then you pick a white bead on the right and the red bead on the left. Then you crisscross on the red bead from the left. Then we proceed. Pass the fishing line through the next red bead like that. Then you pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left. Then you crisscross on the left red bead like that. Then you pass the fishing line through the white bead. And then you pick a red bead on the right. A red bead on the left and a white bead on the right. Then you crisscross on the white red bead. There, like that. So if you're keen enough, you can see that the letter G has started forming. So we proceed. You pick a red bead on the right a red bead on the right again. Those are two red beads, and then a white bead on the left. Then you crisscross on the white bead from the left, like that. Then you pass the fishing line through the next red bead like that, and then you pick a red bead on the right, and then you pick a white bead on the left. Then you crisscross on the white bead from the left like that. You pass the fishing line through the next red bead like that. Then you pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the left. Hope that is clear enough. Yeah, so as you can see, the letter G is almost done. We're just left with like 4 beads. So you pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, then you crisscross on the red bead from the left like that. Then you pick a red bead from the right, the red bead from the left, then you crisscross on the red bead from the right, and ladies and gentlemen, we finally have our letter G.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.